Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL the Salt and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to explain the topic name of inorganic compound that is related to class 10 chapters. Now the chapter here acids, base and salt. Now this is part 13b. Here the remaining portion of the chapter, what are remaining the name of the compounds I am going to explain. Now I am going to explain here the names of the different compounds. They are very important also, and that is based on NCERT syllabus. And now sodium acetate, sodium Na plus, acetate CH3COO minus. So CH3COONA. Why it is CH3COONA? Here it is negative. It is a special case where CH3COO written as minus and it is Na plus. So what is the formula? CH3COONA. Now bleaching powder, that means it is also, you should remember there is no text for this formula, and CaOCl2. What is meaning CaOCl2? Calcium oxychloride. Calcium CaO oxygen, chloride Cl2, CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder. Then come to baking soda. Baking soda mean here NaCO3. What is baking soda? NaCO3. What is the name I told before? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is called commercially baking soda. You should remember the name and also chemistry name, baking soda NaCO3. Washing soda. Washing soda, see here, important. Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. 10H2O mean the 10 molecules of water is crystallized with 1 molecule of sodium carbonate. That means you will see in the crystalline form. You can see the salts are two types. One is crystalline form, another is amorphous form. Amorphous means only powder form. Crystalline form means just like sugar. You can see sugar is also crystalline form. Similarly, in small size may be, but it is crystalline mean a small crystals are present. Now here if 10 molecules of water is there, then what happen here? If sodium carbonate is crystallized with 10 molecules of water, and the name is washing soda. What you are using in washing purpose? That means washing soda formula, don't write Na2CO3, because Na2CO3 simply indicates sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is not washing soda. Sodium carbonate when crystallized with 10 molecules of water, then it becomes to washing soda. Next is blue vitriol. What is meant by blue vitriol? What you are seeing in lab, copper sulfate, that is blue color. Copper sulfate, though we are telling copper sulfate blue color, but actually there are 5 molecules of water crystallized with 1 molecule of copper sulfate. Are you clear? 1 molecule of copper sulfate is attached, or you can say crystallized with 5 molecules of water, then it is called blue vitriol, and you can generally say copper sulfate in lab. That means that copper sulfate having 5 molecules of water, the color is blue. Well, the color of copper sulfate blue means copper sulfate with 5 molecules of water, that is only blue color. When copper sulfate are having 5 molecules of water of crystallization, on heating gives only simply copper sulfate, which is white color. Remember, copper sulfate with 5 molecules of water is blue color, simply copper sulfate is white color. Then come to green vitriol. What is mean by green vitriol? FeSO4 10H2O. FeSO4 mean that is ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate with 7 molecules of water is crystallized. 1 molecule of ferrous sulfate, 7 molecules of water, when they crystallize and gives ferrous, that is called green vitriol, and the structure is very nice light green, very nice light green, that is having good stone shining structure. And now green vitriol, again green vitriol means FeSO4 7H2O, and that is light green color and good crystallization and looks like very shining one. And Gypsum mean MgSO4 10H2 sorry 7H2O. MgSO4, what is MgSO4? Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate, if I say, then there is no 7 molecules of water. But when I say Gypsum salt, generally that is available in lab, that is crystallized form, and that one only MgSO4 7 molecules of water. If 7 molecules of water, that is called Gypsum. And green vitriol FeSO4, if 7 molecules of water, light green. Blue vitriol, if 5 molecules of water with CuSO4, blue color. On heating, there is no water molecule, and that means 5 molecules of water evaporated, and the color is white. Washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O, baking soda NaCO3, that means sodium hydrogen carbonate. And bleaching powder, all things are commercially used, you should know. Here sodium hydrogen carbonate for baking soda, baking purpose, and bleaching powder, you know, for cleaning purpose. And Gypsum and green vitriol, there are some uses in chemistry, chemical purpose. And so these are the main important names of the compound, and we will see next, we will see what is meant gypsum, what is meant by plaster of Paris and others. I told gypsum. What is gypsum? Magnesium sulfate with 7 molecules of water. That means 1 molecule of magnesium sulfate is crystallized with 7 molecules of water, that is called gypsum. Then next is gypsum. What is gypsum? CaSO4 2H2O, that means calcium sulfate, 1 molecule of calcium sulfate is crystallized with 2 molecules of water, that is called gypsum. And CaSO4 2H2O, that is very important for the structure of the building, for the cement purpose. Plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half water, half mean hemi, water mean hydrate. So what is the name? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Plaster of Paris, it indicates that it is used for plastering of bone fracture and other statue structures like this. Now again say gypsum means CaSO4 2H2O, 2 molecules of water, and this is used for the cement and building construction purpose. And plaster of Paris, that is half water with calcium sulfate, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is used for plastering of bone fracture and different type of structure preparation. That is statue structure preparation, it is helpful. Aluminum sulfate means Al plus 3 SO4 minus 2, 2 will come to here, 3 will come to here, that means here you can see 2 will come to here and 3 will come to here. So it is this structure. And brine, what is brine? The name is aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Sometimes one may ask, what is brine? Brine means aqueous solution of sodium chloride. What is the formula of sodium chloride? NaCl. Calcium phosphate, calcium is Ca plus 2, phosphate is PO4 minus 3, again 3 will come to here and 2 will come to here. So the structure formula is Ca3PO4 whole 2. Acetic acid, so CS3COOH, that is acetic acid is organic one. What is organic compound? Later we will discuss. Potassium hydroxide K plus OH minus OKOH. Ammonium nitrate NH4, that is ammonium, it is a monovalent cation, and nitrate is a monovalent anion. So formula is NH4NO3. Ammonium sulfate NH4 plus 1 SO4 minus 2, so NH4 whole 2 SO4. Ferric chloride, ferric mean plus 3, ferrous mean plus 2. Now the question is ferric chloride, so it is trivalent cation and chloride is monovalent anion. So the formula is FeCl3, not required whole mark, simply write Cl3, Cl3 like this. So what is calcium sulfate hemihydrate plaster of Paris? What is aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 whole 3? What is brine aqueous solution of sodium chloride? Calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 whole 2, I think it is clear. And acetic acid is CH3COH, which is organic compound, organic acid. Potassium hydroxide K plus OH minus, so formula KOH. Ammonium nitrate, ammonium NH4 plus 1, that is a monovalent cation. Ammonium sulfate here also, but nitrate is monovalent anion, sulfate is divalent anion, and chloride is monovalent anion. That is why here you can write NH4, there is 1 no change at all, so NH4 NO3, but sulfate is minus 2, so 2 will come to here, so NH4 whole 2 SO4, and Fe plus 3Cl, so it is FeCl3. I hope almost all compounds, the formula of the compounds clear for the chapter acids, base and salts, and also from part 1 to part 11 I have explained how can you write the formula of different compounds according to cation and anion. Cations are 3 types: monovalent cation, divalent cation, trivalent cation. Similarly, anion also there are 3 types: monovalent anion, divalent anion, then trivalent anion. Then how can you combine monovalent anion to divalent anion, monovalent anion and trivalent anion? Similarly, divalent cation, how will form the compound? Form the formula, not compound form, formula of the compound with monovalent anion, divalent anion and trivalent anion. Similarly, trivalent cation, how it will form the formula of the compound with monovalent anion, divalent anion and trivalent anion. Similarly, you can see so many compounds formula form, and now you can feel easy after seeing that videos from part 1 to part 11. In part 12 and B, I have completed the formula of the compounds of the chapter chemical equations, reactions and equation, and 13A and B, it is already completed by the chapter acids, base and salts. I hope you clear almost all the compounds and try at home, but after seeing the radicals, what is the type of radicals, how can you combine, how can you form the formula of the compound. Hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das, Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and please like and share my channel, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks again to all.